What was the name of your friend?
John.
I think that's pretty close. John.
How to predict absolutely anything. One of the fastest and cleanest prediction devices available.
Я в шоке, реально.
This board was designed by me personally for live performances. And if you look closely, you won't see a thing because it's designed in a way that the secret is hidden right under your nose.
I don't believe it's a gimmick.
It's an amazing effect for the spectators.
So good. This is so good.
Wow. It's so simple. I like it.
Fucking genius.
You don't depend on the situation, you're in full control of it. 100% effect without any fear. And what if it doesn't work? It always works. Level up your show with the mental tape board.
Tell me, is there someone who is very important to you? But the main thing is that you know their name and roughly what they look like, okay? Imagine them walking through that door right now. Just imagine it. And as soon as they enter, I'll ask you to say hello to that person. For example, hello, Vasily.
Hello, Anya.
Hello, Anya. I've actually just tried to draw a sketch of Anya specifically.
Super.
I know.
The hair.
One element is missing, but that can always be fixed. Okay, actually, as I said, I'm not a very good artist, but I'm a pretty good magician. And here, all this time, there was tape, under which was the name, specifically the name Anya, which she just said.